How to add autoplay background music to your Wix website. So when anybody visit your web, the music will be autoplay. To do it, on your Wix editor right here, you want to click on this plus button, add elements at the top left of your screen. And then on the video and music, you want to click on it. And on the music, you want to choose Wix music only, not audio players or the others right here. And you can choose between these two template of the music player. I want to click this one, for example. And I do recommend for you to have this music bar that easy to spot, because some of our website visitor might really want to turn off or turn on the music as they like. So right here, I want to place it under the header so anybody can easily spot it. And then after that, you want to click on the settings right here. If you find this window, you can choose on the first, I want to design my player. And then you want to click on settings. And on the autoplay when page loads, you want to make sure to turn this on. And there you go. Click exit. And if you click on preview, as you can see, the music was autoplay. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.